Mahishi Trust Yoga and Naturopathy Hospital, established in 2008, is located in Daddi Kamlapur, 8 kilometers from Dharwad, in a beautiful, healthy, clean environment. Obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, hip pain, knee pain, asthma, thyroid problems, acidity, gas problem, menstrual problem, headache, dehydration, mental and physical stress are some of the common lifestyle diseases which are treated here. Hydrotherapy, mud therapy, massage therapy, herbal therapy, steam and sauna bath, physiotherapy, acupuncture therapy, and yoga therapy. The inpatients are provided with special accommodation in the hospital, along with treatment at our center. General room, special room, deluxe room, AC room, and vegetarian facilities are also provided. Naturopathy is a medicine-free treatment that uses Panchamahaputta of water, soil, fire, wind, sky treatment and has no side effects. For more information, contact Yoga and Naturopathy Hospital, Alnawa Road, Daddi Kamlapur, Dharwad.